Okay. I'm filming it.
Where are we headed?
I don't know, watch. Let me get a good video of what it's like in there. They've actually cleared out all of the land. I don't know if I can really see from here. We can go around. Oh, I did that one. My friend was doing a magic trick to the person that was running it, so when I fell off, they didn't notice. That's why I won.
What do you do?
Which one? You walk on a beam or something for that one. Feels like this one got big.
Yes, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay, so there's another big crack down here. You can actually see a lot of land here. Really cool. I can't even see that much. Whoa, it looks like there's a fire down there. Okay. So, if I had gotten the selfie stick in the park, I could have filmed over the fence, but I can't do that now. So, we're just gonna go. There's one more door down there which you can film. Which is, they have a pretty big wall. It's like they don't want us to see anything. We're gonna see it. Here's a big. Yeah. Actually, yeah. What? Okay. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it right there. Oh no. Yeah. Pretty cool. And there's one more hole right here. Or you can actually really see. They've been doing. It's really big. Really cool. You can kind of. Oh yeah. So, and that's the Crazanity construction update number 2. I think it's December 2nd today. So yeah, we're gonna see how that turns out.